Okay, well, when you're trying to get it done before 5 and you're in a hurry, sometimes you can make mistakes. See, I didn't really hear the valve open. When you turn the pipes back on, somebody was knocking up the off. I don't know who does that. Somebody is. Let's plug the valve into the controller. And then open it. Notice the pressure was about halfway through. Now, if we can open it, I can actually hear it now. Now, you just got to yell it to your life. I'm pretty sure it's working. Now, you're going to want to remember to put the T and P release pipe back on. These are good to have. What these do, when your water heater goes on, off, cold and hot water, sometimes air, gas bubbles release, pressure builds up. You can test these once a year. They work. They work. And we're going to put that back on. That will drain into the pan, but what I don't want is to shoot out so much. Now, it shouldn't. That's just one of my sensors. But if it does, I'll know. All right, now we've got our valve on in the open position. We could test it. Let's test it. Shall we? Now, these are just regular old sensors that actually just water closes the circuit. When that circuit gets stripped, what happens is that switch. So what we're going to do now, we're going to test it. Got a little bit of fancy water. Well, how about that? That means if the water here leaks into the pan, this thing catches it, and shuts the water off, so the water doesn't leak everywhere into my house. Well, we're going to hit the reset button on that and set it back up. And thank you, folks. That's our show for today. Tune in next time for more, whatever this is. Low jinks. Under the house. Get it? Not high jinks. Low jinks. Bye.